Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics so you can act quickly, check Wi-Fi or cellular data, and test another app to rule out network issues. Next, update Instagram to the latest version. Updates often fix messaging bugs. Once done, restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Observe any error text or code because that guides the next steps. If you see a sending failure, tap the 3 dots on the message and note the exact phrasing. This helps you choose the correct fix. Now you address app and account causes. Clear Instagram's cache or uninstall and reinstall to eliminate corrupted files. This often resolves persistent failures. Make sure Instagram has required permissions, contacts, notifications, and background data so messages sync and send. Also check account side limits. Ensure the recipient hasn't blocked you, review message requests, and watch for reduced outreach that suggests a temporary restriction. If you changed the phone or number recently, reconnect accounts and verify your phone or email for confirmation codes. Finish by testing network-level solutions. Switch from Wi-Fi to cellular or try a different Wi-Fi band because routing can block outbound messages. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode or reset network settings so your device renews its IP and DNS mappings. Make sure to save any VPN or Wi-Fi passwords first. If none of this works, report the issue via Instagram's Help Report a Problem and wait 24 to 48 hours for server-side fixes. If still failing, consider contacting support with screenshots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.